Someone saw this from outside and said I had a very understanding wife. And I probably agree. It's a bitterly cold day outside. I'm going to make a planter for my windowsill because I want to grow some early cucumbers. The kids are obsessed with these little mini cucumbers. I bought some different seeds to try out, but some of them are planted really, really early. And my plan is to grow 2 on the windowsill and see if we can get some cucumbers by kind of April time. It says they crop in 45 days, so we'll see if that's kind of somewhere near. There's lots of these little baby cucumbers. The kids go mad for them if I buy them from the supermarket. So when I find something that the kids like that, my next step is to grow it. So this is going to be a plant that's going to go on the windowsill. I don't want it to leak, so it's not going to have drainage holes, which is a big no-no normally for planters. But I'm just going to monitor how much water's in it. It's going to be really simple. We're going to make ourselves a square box and we're going to line it with some plastic. We're going to fill it with some compost. We're going to chuck it up there and we're going to see how they grow. Let's get on with it. I'll sand these boards down, use some reclaimed boards. Woo. So just going to do mighty corners, rebate along the bottom. Right, so they're ready to harvest. I've got 3 here ready, which I thought I'd wait till. I think I could have harvested this one a week before, to be honest. They're a dwarf, like baby type. This is called Hopeline F1. So we'll get a few of these. You go hold this pal. Go down, try them out. Lovely. Tastes like a cucumber. Hang on. Right. Yeah, go. Okay, growing our own snacks. Go for it, guys. Good? Good. This is the 1st of May. It's the earliest I've ever had cucumbers ready. Have grown them in my bedroom above a radiator, but doing really well. Hopefully save us a few quid with how many cucumbers these guys get through. So. Good? Yeah?
Amazing.
That's good. So, I always go, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Okay, so I want you all free to do it. Okay, wait to finish the mouthful. Hey? Right.
Thanks, what?
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Okay, hang on.
Do you have to do thumbs up?
Yeah, no, I don't always do a thumbs up.
In it. We'll kneel on the bench.
You and your snotty nose. So anyway.
Thanks for watching.
Guys, oh, go, get it wrong. So go, don't eat anymore. We're trying to do this. Right, so go, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Anyway, so go, anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
No, you all got it wrong, all 3 of you, right? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time, okay? Stop eating a sec. Right.
So tempting.
Right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Always.